Hey, feeling pressured? Let me tell you why it's actually a good thing. Pressure isn't punishment, it's how steel remembers shape. Just like steel, we too are shaped by the pressure we face in life. When we encounter challenges, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But remember, these very moments refine us and help us reveal our true strength. So, just as steel becomes stronger under pressure, so do we. Embrace those tough times. They're preparing you for greatness. If you're ready to turn pressure into power, drop a comment below and don't forget to follow for more inspirational content.